Hi everyone, this is Erin from Sandpaper Road, and today I'm sharing with you easy decorative tags that you can make in no time. You can put them on cards, you can use them on your holiday decoration elements at home, you can put them on scrapbook layouts, holiday trees, whatever it is you want. I make them all the time. This is one of my favorite ways to make little decorative embellishments, and you won't believe how easy these are. First, I just want to encourage you to subscribe to the Sandpaper Road YouTube channel. Really appreciate it. So today we're going to start with some tissue box tops. I have 4 of them here, and then I'm going to use some Liquitex super heavy gesso to coat the logo side of the tissue box top. You can use any kind of gesso that you have on hand. This is just what I have on hand, and I do prefer the super heavy gesso because then you don't need to apply quite as many coats. So just a nice coat, and let that fully dry. You can use a heat gun to speed up the process. And then I'm going to use some modeling paste and a stencil. This is one that I had on hand from a long time ago. And a nice thin coat of modeling paste or texture paste, or like I said, whatever kind of paste you have on hand. Smooth out the sides, and that looks really nice. And let that fully dry. And then I'm using embellishments that I fussy cut from, it's called This Miracle Night paper collection by Craft a Clock. And there will be links if you're interested in the collection, but of course you can use any kind of paper collection you have or any other decorative elements. You can use sprays, you can use inks, you can use fussy cut elements, chipboard elements, just whatever kind of things you have on hand. And for this project, I didn't use any stamping, coloring, anything like that. I just chose my fussy cut elements, laid them out, and before I glued them down, I decided I was going to do some inking around each tag. But it was important to decide which elements I was going to have on each tag so I could choose my ink color. So like this, I believe is walnut stain, I believe, and just inking the edges, just the edges of the tag. And then I use a spray bottle to just lightly spritz the tag, and you'll see that the water really lets the ink move. And look how it looks finished, like just right into that tag. All I did after that was glue the stuff down that I had already chosen. So literally nothing special, nothing fancy. It looks like it took me hours and hours, and really it didn't take me that long because it was just the fussy cut elements and the ink. And I chose different ink colors based on the embellishments I chose to glue on top. Aren't they cute? You could string a string through them and put them on your holiday tree. I like to put mine on cards or scrapbook layouts. It's just a really nice decorative embellishment, and they're really sturdy because they're on that tissue box top. So thanks so much for watching. Definitely hit that subscribe button and tune in next time for more inspirational videos. See you next time. Bye-bye.